Welcome to Tech It Simple, the world of tutorials where capacity myths techniques. You're watching Telegram Series Part 8. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a channel on Telegram. To get started, open your Telegram app first. In this space, you will see a pencil icon just above the camera icon below. Click on it, and you will reach this space. Here, you will find the option for a new channel above. Click on it. It takes you to this space where you need to enter the name for your new channel. After you enter the name for your channel, below, you can see the description box. You can add some more description about your channel. Once you're all done, click on the check mark at the top right corner. If you want to make this channel public, click on Public. And if you want to change it into private, you can click the second option, and it will be private. Now, click on that check mark again at the top right corner of the screen. You can click on these contacts to add them as subscribers. Once you're done, again click on that arrow button below, and you are all done. You have successfully created a channel on Telegram. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that bell icon to get notifications for more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video. Stay connected.